Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the no service SIM card problem on your iPhone. It's really easy and simple. One is to go ahead and check your coverage area, right? So open up settings on your iPhone, tap on mobile data, tap on the toggle switch for the mobile data to turn it on or off. When the bar is basically green, means mobile data is enabled. When it's gray, it's not. Okay, sometimes doing this could help your iPhone find service. Another thing we can do is check for a carrier settings update. So this is what you do, guys. Connect to a cell phone or Wi-Fi network of your choice. Open the settings app on your iPhone and then just go ahead and tap on general. Now here you tap on about and there should be an update available. If it is available, you'll be able to do so from this screen. Go ahead and do that. The other method is to go ahead and restart your iPhone, right? Press and hold the side button, either the volume up button or volume down button, and when the power slider appears, swipe the power button inside it to the right. And after the iPhone is completely shut down, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Okay? Go ahead and do that. Another thing you can do is turn airplane mode on and off. So if you tap on that, that's the airplane mode. Turn it on or off, toggle it on or off, and then when you do that, sometimes it helps you fix the issue. And if not, you can go ahead and take the SIM card out, put it back in. Sometimes that works. If not, you just have to go ahead, go to your settings, tap on general, tap on software update. And at this point, your iPhone will check if there's an update available. When one is found, just go ahead and tap and install it. And then what you can also do is you can go ahead and reset your network settings. So again, go to settings, tap on general, select the transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom, and come here and just tap on reset. And if in the menu that appears, tap reset network settings, and that should go ahead and fix your issue. If you're still having problems, you just need to contact your carrier network or Apple support. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.